At the heart of creation is the Creator's heart. His desire to show us the wonders of his imagination, the power of his hand, and his desire to share it with the closest of those he loves most, you and I. Here at Elim Christian Center, we want to experience that closeness through an appreciation of all created matter. Art has always been the human expression of that synergy with the Creator, so that in his image we too can create and follow his lead. As we create, we are touched and influenced by our own life experiences and the experiences of those around us. When we create, our attempts are influenced by our beliefs and experiences. The more we study and make attempts at art, the more we allow ourselves to be subjected to God, our Creator, and to the immediacy of living on this planet and beyond. Today, we launch a new project named Elim Art. We will attempt to engage participants with the gospel of Jesus Christ through the medium of art. What are the aims? 1. To develop and offer free art workshops for the local community. 2. To offer free faith-based art sessions and talks to the churched and unchurched. To exhibit, display, and promote Elim Art. And to collaborate with other agencies and organizations around the subject of faith in art. By engaging with the local community through the expression of art, we hope to open a dialogue about challenges, hopes, and dreams of being connected to a Creator God, with an anticipation that lives will be changed for the better.